y'all, this is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that bell for that notification link. Because I don't want you to miss a thing. So I'm in my blonde hair bag because summertime is coming up, and I'm also going to the Beyonce concert. So I'm definitely gonna pull out a blonde wig for that. So this right here, this is part of the Sensational 90s Bang Butta Lace collection. So as you know, it has dropped about a couple months ago, and they've been coming out with nothing but heat. Of course, with bang. So I do want to let you know that they are there. So this is how that looks. I'm gonna try to just do this like this because yeah, I'm not gonna wear this with the bangs, okay? But here they are. I'm just giving you a little peekaboo because this is in the color Belayage Ash Blonde, and I got this in the 90s Bangs Unit 908. So this is the stock card for this. This is the style, and here it is with the bangs. Now, I'm not mad at the bangs, and as y'all can see, I pulled out one of my big shoulder puffy blazers because it's giving me that whole, of course, 90s vibe, and I felt like it just paired well with this unit. And I must say, okay, it's giving me life. Now, to me, this just looks like extra long baby hairs, and maybe it's because of the dimensions of the color. So how I would wear it is I would just wear it like this. I know you can see the lace, but that's because of the ring light. But trust me, in natural light, you can't really clock the lace if you put your foundation on it and just melt it a little bit. But this was definitely an easy slay, and I love how it's given like a dark, like number 2 1 at the root, because as y'all know, my hairline does go out. And I did not seal this down completely because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here to show y'all how this unit looks. It is nice and snug. I would say that it is big head friendly. So it's not, super tight on your head. It definitely is breathable, which is something that you're going to need. Now, when it came to this unit, I'm like, I've definitely had this style before, so let me just check it out in this color Ash Blonde. I don't feel like I've ever tried Belayage Ash Blonde on my channel. Y'all know I've tried every color in the rainbow, but when it comes to blondes, I don't really gravitate towards blonde wigs, although I love them. It's just because of my hairline. So when it has a dark root, bring it here, because when it's a number 2, it matches me perfectly. But if it has like a number 4 root, it doesn't really match well with my skin tone. But I'm loving how they did the root, the highlights of it. Like, now, at first, I'm going to be honest and say, when I first took it out the box, I was like, oh, I should have gotten it in this color, which is the Belayage Chocolate. I feel like when I was looking at other reviews, people were reviewing this color because it's gorgeous in that color, but I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone and go for this. And I'm so happy that I did, because this is giving me rich. This is giving me 90s rich. Like, what? I love a good blonde ash blonde combo, and I really want y'all to pay attention to the color so that y'all can see it. And yeah, this is probably like a 16-inch, maybe 18-inch. I'm 5'6". I'm not mad at the length. Now, y'all know me, I love long video vixen hair because to me it just matches my body frame. But sometimes when I go for color, I feel like medium length to short hair with like a vibrant color or blonde just works best for me, because sometimes you can run into the look of it looking a little more cheap than what it is. Like, people know you got a wig on, but I don't mean people need to know you got a wig on. Like, you know what I mean? And I'm one of those people like, yeah, I have a wig on, but it looks good. And this baby looks good. It seems like I spent a lot of money. This does not look like a synthetic wig. The hair texture is like a blown out yaki texture, which is what I love. I feel like it mimics my hair texture well. Once again, don't pay too much attention to the lace. I did not put that much love in it because this is just a review. And this should just let you know, if it looks good like this, then it should let you know like how it's going to look like once I really wear it out. And make sure that that's all blended in. That's how you know you have a good wig. And I love the fact with this unit that you can have an option to use the bangs or not use the bangs. So it's not like you're stuck with a style or you have to cut something off. You could just take a straightening comb and blend it in and you're fine. This is a 2-in-1 hairstyle, so you definitely getting your coins worth. And I know when I got it, it was under $40, and you can't beat that, especially in this economy. So if you come across this wig, I'm pretty sure you saw a lot of other reviews. Make sure that you get it after getting this one. I feel like I'm probably going to try out this whole line because it's a easy slay, and that's it. I mean, what can you say? It's easy slay, it's cheap, and it looks good. And it's a 2-for-1 wig. They definitely did day one with this one, and I know I have another 90s bang wig, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. So here how it looks with 360. So this is how it looks all in the front. This is how it looks on the left side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the right side. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about this style, if y'all picked it up, about the color. I'm definitely, when it comes to sensational, and if this color is optional, I'm going to scoop it up before I scoop up the 1B. I know. But if you get a good blonde, don't get it once, get it twice. All right. Y'all make sure y'all stay beautiful, and y'all make sure that y'all stay positive. All right, bye.